What's up? So, before I started my channel, I was working on my kitchen cabinets. I redid all the doors and all the drawer fronts. I made them out of, I think, 2 sheets of plywood. Honestly, I spent about $300 to make new ones. I completely did everything. And then the inside, I just routed an edge and put a panel in there, used pocket holes. It would have cost me around $2,000 or something to get new doors, custom doors and drawer fronts, but I just wanted something cheap that I could do myself. So I bought 2 sheets of plywood, made all the doors and all the drawer fronts, and this is the final product. So this video, I didn't get video of that before we started, but in this video I'll show you guys how we painted and prepped everything once the doors were already hung. So let's go. Thanks for checking out the channel, guys. If you like it, if you want to see more videos like it, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. All the expired food.
That waste, man. Look at all that.
That my wife never cooked. Alright, so over here I'm gonna be knocking all this stuff out. I'm gonna take this trim off, these side trims. We're gonna put some new trim up. And we took out the old little radio intercom system that they had and get rid of this box and make some more space. Remove this bread box that we had here that we never used. So we're about to demo that out and finish putting up the drawer fronts before we paint this weekend. Woke up the boss. Say hi.
Oh, pochita, pochita.
Demoed out. We're gonna put new strips near here and at the top. I still got a couple of these drawer fronts that I gotta put on. I'm not a carpenter, so I saw all this on YouTube. Just trying to save money and keep the cabinets that we already had. The boxes were still really good. Guys, so I'm about to put these, well, I already started putting these trim pieces up here. Kind of went crazy on this side with the saw, so I'm gonna have to fill that in with some wood filler or something. But alright guys, we're back. Day 2. Yesterday we didn't get as much done as we wanted. We got all this ripped out, put the new wood up. Now we're going to start filling everything and getting everything prepped for primer. Alright guys, so we got everything sanded, everything taped off. We're gonna primer, and full disclosure, do have a professional sprayer, so I do have a background in painting, so it's a little bit easier to do painting projects, but you can do this easily by hand with a small roller, with a brush and a roller, just as you can do it with the sprayer. And I'm not gonna record because I know how primer gets everywhere with the spray gun, so I don't want to get it all over my camera, but I will show you guys once I have the first coat of primer done on these. And I am using just a quick dry primer. This is my kitchen, so I'm trying to be down as little time as possible. I'm trying to get it primered, and hopefully I can get 2 coats done today. Alright guys, we got the first coat of primer on them, and we're gonna let it dry overnight. We'll come back tomorrow, do a light sand, and start caulking and do the second coat of primer. Alright guys, we got our first coat on last night, and it dried overnight. Now we're just filling any other little extra gaps and caulking everywhere, and before we do a second coat of primer, just prepping everything. Alright guys, we got our second coat of primer up, and we're just waiting on it to dry, and the guys are outside working on the drawers. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, alright, so we got 2 coats done. Didn't really record because my camera was getting dirty, covered in paint, but the drawers are drying and we are ready to start cleaning up. Alright guys, we are done with painting the cabinets. Took all the paper and plastic off. We are still going to paint the kitchen, but the cabinets are done. Got the helpers cleaning up. These can clean up. So this is how they came out.
Slow. Slowly but surely, right, Gordo?
So these cabinets took me like a month and a half. I made all the doors and the drawer fronts. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video today. If you liked it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and tell me what you think in the comments, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for checking out the channel.